Moving on to the fun part, we are actually going to be able to edit this box. So if you could just create a box with 10 length segments, 10 width segments, and 5 height segments, and for us to actually be able to change the geometry and see all the options that the modifier tab can actually give us, we need to right click and convert this box to an editable polygon. If we open this drop down list, we'll see everything that we can edit. So these are the vertices. I've only selected them right now. So I can move them around. I know it kind of looks messy, but I can select the edges, and I can also rotate them. Doesn't look great. And for right now, I can also select the polygons. I can rotate them, and I can move them, and I can scale them. So that's going to create me this weird polygons and just kind of change the shape of the initial box that I had. So just to kind of show you what these do, some of them at least, I am going to delete these weird shapes, and we are going to try to create some windows. So you have the extrude option right here, which kind of works like this. So if you select a polygon and you hit extrude and you just drag, left click and drag your mouse, you can do this kind of stuff. So I'll push it back, and that's my very basic window. I'm just going to create another one. I think this is going to turn out like a prison window, maybe. Yeah. So this is how extrude works. Bevel, on the other hand, I'm just right clicking to get rid of extrude. Bevel, on the other hand, does almost the same thing, but it kind of keeps the geometry at first, and then when you left, but then when you let off your left click, you're gonna see that it kind of extends or narrows down the other end of your shape. Someone please tell me how to speak English, because this is not it. So you can just play around with this and see how it works, and you can create all sorts of stuff with this. Next we have insert, which is kind of a weird thing, but it adds some geometry to your model. So okay, I'm just gonna undo that. So now you have more polygons. You can select all of them by pressing Ctrl. And let's just say I want to extrude this. I can also press this settings button, and this will appear, so I can change the height of extrusion. So let's say I want to do that. So I actually now have a frame for the window, and I want to extrude that back a bit more, so it kind of looks like a prison window, I think. So I think that for now, this will be more than enough for you to play around and create more shapes. We're gonna move to the modify panel, and now modify list, and now if you open it, you will see all these things that you can do, which is really nice.